One of the struggles of having a small bedroom is arranging the layout to make the most of that little room. You'll also have to design your closet thoroughly and make sure it helps you organize your clothes more easily without taking up more space. If you seek some ideas to organize your clothes and accessories, then you've come to the right place. We have gathered 10 updated closet ideas for small bedrooms to help hold clutter at bay and use the limited space efficiently. As always, Simp Home presents you with this list. 10 is to shove more storage under your clothes. If you think your closet can't handle any more, you may be wrong. By tweaking it a bit, you'll get more storage that you're able to organize your clothes and accessories better. First, take everything out of your closet because it's always a good fresh start. Then, consider raising your rod a few feet from its position. This way, you can have plenty of space underneath and you can shove a dresser or shoe rack in the closet for more storage solutions. It's a simple way to organize your clothes in your closet, yet it can significantly impact. Basic instructions. Step 1 is to take everything out of your closet. Begin by taking out all the bags of clothes lying on the floor. Step 2 is to take a long metal rod with you to insert it in between two studs. You will use the rod to lower your closet door. Step 3 is to remove your closet door and secure it at the top to hang everything neatly across the middle section of your room and avoid crushing things inside. Voila! You now have enough space for more hanging space for all those pieces of clothes and accessories. 9 is a tiny walk-in closet improvement idea. You might think that you can't have a walk-in closet because of limited space, and the truth is, you can create one. This closet has proven that a small space is not a big obstacle to organizing your clothes. Since it is a walk-in closet, you need to leave some room in the middle for the foot traffic. Then install wall-mounted shelves and a hanging rod on the right and left sides of the closet. Bear in mind that the key to an organized closet is how you arrange your stuff. Consider storing less used items like seasonal clothes and hiking backpacks on the top shelf close to the ceiling. Then you can shove shoe racks under each hanging rod. Make sure they come in the same direction to create some symmetry. 8 is use sliding doors. If your bedroom is super small, using a swing-out closet door will be awkward. This type of closet door allows for maximum storage. However, you have to leave adequate clearance around the closet to enable the door to open fully, which is quite tricky for a tiny room. Therefore, you need to consider replacing your swing-out closet door with a sliding door. This type of door gives you access to the closet by moving aside. It does not need to swing out, meaning you can save on space around the closet. Basic instructions. Step 1. Prepare required materials such as a long and wide door frame, wood sliding doors, hinges, screws, and installation tools. Step 2. Then mount the door hinges to the door frame, attach the screws, and secure it in place. Step 3. After that, install mounted sliding doors to the closet. Make sure you leave enough space for them to open fully without hitting the wall or foot traffic nearby. 7 is to use every nook and cranny. This bedroom uses every single space it has to create storage solutions. Instead of positioning the closet against the wall across from the bed, you can place it behind the bed to form a multi-purpose headboard. Since the closet also acts as a headboard, you may need to consider installing sliding doors instead of swing-out doors. This way you can save some space. Besides, you will not bump your head. You can also incorporate more storage solutions by making drawers under the bed and nightstand. 6 is apply a new open closet system. One of the best ways to save more room is foregoing the closet because it tends to be bulky. It doesn't mean you shouldn't have anything to organize your clothes. You can install an open closet system. The open closet system has always been the go-to solution for those struggling with limited space. Unlike the cupboard and built-in counterpart, an open closet system is flexible. You can mount as many shelves as you want. 5. Bring them up close to the ceiling. This one is another open closet system that you can take into consideration. Try installing hanging rods close to the ceiling, right above the headboard. This way you can have more space for more rods and dressers underneath. You may also need to consider investing in a rolling ladder that easily helps you access the top rod. General instructions. Number 1, security is the priority. You need to consider installing a locking system on top of your closet and not just all your clothes and accessories. The closet should have a lock that prevents anyone from getting inside. The lock could be a combination lock, a deadbolt, or a drawer. Number 2, build the structure first before installing shelves on top of it so that you can secure it properly when you place the shelves. 4, think about your accessories. Do you store your accessories inside a drawer? If you need it, you should stop now because finding the one you need among many tiny items is frustrating and it's time-consuming. Therefore, you can try this ingenious yet simple solution. Try investing in many small hooks for a signature impact. They don't have to be fancy, though in fact I hooks or S hooks will do. It will be fine if you want a bit of a vintage look by purchasing a decorative organizer like this one. You only need to screw the hooks to any vertical space and you can use the backside of the closet door on a wall, then hang your accessories there. 3 is a corner closet idea. Don't let any nook and cranny leave untapped. You can still have a nice closet in this awkward corner. The first thing you need to do is measure the width of this space to figure out the dimension of your closet. Then cut the boards to length, and after that, assemble the pieces and install the rod, and you're good to go. Some relevant details. Number 1, after measuring your space, cut the planks to size. Then number 2, place the pieces where you want them and secure them with screws. Number 3 is secure the rod by screwing it on to ensure it will not fall or come loose during use. And number 4 is to hang up all your accessories. You can even decide to install brackets to hang a few smaller items like hats and ties underneath them. 2 is to split the closet. Many people flank their bed with 2 identical nightstands sitting on each side. Now you can take the idea to the next level by placing 2 closets instead. This layout allows you to have more storage space despite your small bedroom. It's like having a single large closet, but the bed has split it in half. Then you may need to install a sconce in each closet. That way you can illuminate your bed while saving more space. Besides, sconces can add elegance to your small bedroom. Before we get to number 1, I suggest you press subscribe button if this channel is new to you. Get new updates automatically every time I upload new videos. And let's find out the last idea sitting on our top chart. And lastly, number 1, don't forget to max the potential of your door, too. Do you think you're running out of storage space in your closet? Well, what about that bedroom door? Have you used it to help you organize things? If you haven't tapped into it, it's time for you to step up now. To use your door as additional storage, you can install racks or hooks. Then you can hang your hats, purses, belts, or ties on them. Oh, and by the way, in simphome.com, you're going to find several lists that you cannot find in the Slide House channel. For instance, 10 small galley kitchen makeovers, 12 corner cabinet organization ideas, 12 kitchen cabinet DIY makeover ideas, and many more. This kind of list is compiled with more extensive research and more rigorous writing processes. As usual, the admin completed each of these lists with a relevant video that currently, as when this script is written, is free from the domination of ads. So what are you waiting for? If you have free time and internet access, once again, follow the link inside the description area and rip all benefits that SimpHome has to offer. Last, other than the 3 list titles that I already mentioned, I am giving you 25 hand-selected titles based on unique categorization that you can enjoy and take from the website that I already endorse. Here they are. Top 20 list and beyond category. Number 1, 333 small kitchen ideas, organization and kitchen designs. 2, 125 kitchen makeover ideas for this year and beyond. 3, 100 plus ideas on how to transform your small bedroom into a calming sanctuary. 4, 62 IKEA furniture and storage creative makeovers. 5, 33 organizing small household item ideas. 6, 20 decor projects that will upgrade your home. 7, 20 organization products and decorations for a small living room. And number 8, 20 lit small bedroom organizing ideas worth trying. New top 12 list category. Number 1, 12 bedroom makeovers on a budget ideas. 2, 12 budget-friendly DIY backyard decor ideas. 3, 12 minimalist bedroom organization tips. 4, 12 modern bathroom makeovers. 5, 12 unique organization for small bedroom ideas. 6, 12 bathroom cabinet makeover. And number 7, 12 backyard makeover ideas on a budget. Return to the Slide House channel. Eventually, I'm going to present you with the 10 best Slide House titles that you can rewatch or re-explore in SimpHome's website, in case you already missed it. Number 1, 10 small space ideas to maximize small bedroom. 2. 10 cheap landscaping ideas for small backyards. 3. 10 small living room makeover ideas. 4. 10 unique wall painting ideas for small bedroom. 5. 10 garden paving ideas. 6. 5 clever living walls and vertical garden ideas. 7. 10 vertical garden trellis ideas. 8. 10 storage ideas for small space bedrooms. 9. 10 backyard garden vegetable garden ideas. And lastly, number 10. 10 small bedroom office ideas.